So we will explore the concept of sniper, bundler, and other. So we will see how this can be useful for you by seeing how Mobula handle it, and it will help you for making decision to buy a token, for example. So it could be very useful for a trading bot. So first thing we have to know is a sniper. So basically someone that buy faster than anyone a new token. So in the first 0.3 blocks. So to do it, for example, they can use a Mavbot, private RPC for speed, a pre-sign transaction, or Jito chips on Solana. So more you have sniper, more they get it at a lower price. So the issue is they can dump the token. Their strategy is to just make a value on it. We have also a bundler. So some token have a limit amount that you can buy, and some people, to bypass it, use some system where you can have like they set up like multiple wallet, for example 20, 50, could be way more, and they do it with atomic bundle transaction. All wallet fund from one source wallet, same block, same amount, look like organic buyer. So by bypassing the limit, as they have a huge amount, and it's the same, they can drop their bag very easily and impact the price of the token. So it's better to avoid it. Sometimes also you can have like insider, so people that have privilege information or that have some privilege with the dev team or opportunity into it. So it's the same. So these people can manipulate the market as they know what will happen, as they have the information. And also we have the dev, so it's simply the wallet that deploys the token contract. So sometimes the developer that contain the wallets of it can selling early, and it's also a risk that you have to look for dev. So we have this open source repository, Sniper Bundle. It will use a Mobula endpoint. So as you can see, it will use a Pulse, for example. Pulse is like a WebSocket stream that will give you all the new token that is discovered. And in the same time, it will use a token details endpoint. So it's fetching for a token and it will return you lot of details value. And inside what could be interesting is the sniper holding percentage, a bundler holding percentage, etc., the top 10 holding percentage. So it will give you insight about the token. And with this parameter, it will give you a reason to buy it or not buy it. So we have this risk score calculation. So we take the sniper, divide by 50, and it will give you a weight. Same for bundler, top 10 insider. And we have this weight on a scale of 10. Depending the result, it will give you an idea if it's a good idea for your bot to buy it or not, for example. Okay. So this is a two endpoint. Get token details. You have the doc that we will put in the description just here. So here is all the parameters that this token deliver. What could be interesting is the sniper holding, bundler holding, etc. And this is the pulse documentation. So with the URL you call it, and it will give you all the new token in a stream in real time live. So very interesting endpoint also. Okay, so now I will just clone the repository. So I will git clone sniper bundle. Have it. So I can go inside it. So as you see, I will open Vim. We have this ARM example. So you will need to set up a Mobula API key. You can set up multiple test token with comma inside it. And that's pretty it. And you can launch after the pure swap socket stream and also the token fetch details. So for your API key, you just go to admin.mobula.io and you can take your key. So be aware that for the Pulse WebToken stream, you will need a gross plan to use it, but on the free plan, you can use token details that contain the sniper bundle, for example. And if you want to take some token, I can go for text screener. I will take token. I copy the address on the bottom right just here. So for App Store, and I go back to my stream and I can just pass it like here. Perfect. Yeah, that's pretty it. So when you set up your API key and your token that you want to fetch, we can simply move our env example to a real example.env file, and that's pretty it. So perfect, let's read the doc. We can use 3 commands, so npm run token to set up some token. We can have your continuous scanner that we use Pulse and analyze token in the same time. So first we will do npm run token just to see how this is working. So I will copy this address for this token. Perfect. I will do npm run token up with this address. Perfect. And we have this analyze. It will find 0.3% sniper, so this is okay. But lots of bundler like 34%. The top 10 also own 10% of the token. So we have this also here a weight calculation to see the score. And the threshold is a bit too big, so the decision token fail. I will do also npm run start just to see. Yes, perfect. So right now he's looking for the new token on the chain, and we will find return the token that I've problem like too much sniper, bundler, or top 10. Yes, so as you see, there is a risk calculation. We can imagine a bot that will automatically make a proper decision to know if a token will be useful to buy or not, just with this information that Mobula provide. I will do npm run pulse also. Perfect. So now it will return you in the new token market. So basically, this one is an pop fund, so it will return all the new tokens that present some risk to buy. Yeah, perfect. So this is how it's working, the flow. So here you can put your threshold also in the env, and the trading, you can fake the buy or skip decision. So basically we use the endpoint pulse that will you look for new token detection. We set up your filter if we take or skip this token. Then we call the token details endpoint to have all these parameters, sniper holding, bundle holding, dev holding, etc. to know if on a scale of 0 to 10 it represents a risk to buy. And with this, our bot can make a decision for no or yes. Yeah, that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful for you to understand this core concept and how you can use Mobula for making a decision about it. And yeah, everything will be in the comment in the description. And if you have any question, inquiry, we'll be happy to help you. Like it.